The Algarve region of Portugal is home to some of the most stunning coastlines in the world. Dramatic cliffs, secret coves, and picturesque beaches dot the landscape. Among these treasures lies Praia da Marinha, a true hidden gem. Often lauded as one of Portugal's most beautiful beaches, Praia da Marinha is a must-see for any traveler. What makes Praia da Marinha so special? Is it the breathtaking views, the serene atmosphere, or the unique blend of natural elements? The beach itself is a sight to behold, a perfect harmony of nature's finest creations. Golden sands stretch out before you, inviting you to kick off your shoes and feel the warmth between your toes. The grains of sand are so fine they almost feel like silk underfoot. Towering above are the iconic limestone cliffs, sculpted by centuries of wind and waves. These majestic formations stand as silent guardians of the beach, their rugged beauty adding to the allure. And then there's the water, a true marvel of nature. The waters of Praia da Marinha are simply mesmerizing. They sparkle under the sun, creating a dazzling display of light and color. They shimmer in shades of turquoise, so clear you can see straight to the bottom. The underwater world is teeming with life, a vibrant ecosystem waiting to be explored. Whether you're swimming, snorkeling, or just dipping your toes in, the water is an invitation to relax and unwind. It's a place where you can leave your worries behind and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. Praia da Marinha is a haven for those seeking adventure. The clear waters are perfect for snorkeling, revealing a world of colorful fish and marine life. Kayaking is another popular activity, allowing you to explore the coastline and discover hidden grottos. And for the more adventurous, there's always the thrill of cliff jumping. Exploring beyond the shore. This chapter takes you on a journey beyond the sandy shores, into the heart of the Algarve's hidden treasures. No trip to Praia da Marinha is complete without a boat tour. These tours are an adventure in themselves, offering a unique perspective of the coastline. These tours take you along the coast, offering breathtaking views of the cliffs and caves. The rugged beauty of the landscape is best appreciated from the water. The most famous of these caves is the Benagil Cave, a natural wonder that will leave you speechless. Its grandeur and mystery captivate every visitor. Imagine sunlight streaming through a hole in the top of a cave, illuminating the golden sands and turquoise waters within. This natural spotlight creates a magical atmosphere. It's a sight you won't soon forget. The beauty of the Benagil Cave is a testament to nature's artistry, leaving an indelible mark on your memory. Capture the memories. A visit to Praia da Marinha is a feast for the senses, a place where nature's beauty is on full display. The sights, the sounds, the smells. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. The gentle crash of the waves, the salty breeze, and the golden hues of the sunset create a symphony for the soul. Be sure to bring your camera to capture the beauty of this special place. Every corner of Praia da Marinha offers a new perspective, a new story waiting to be told through your lens. Whether you're snapping photos of the majestic cliffs, the mysterious caves, or simply the sparkling water that dances in the sunlight, you'll want to remember your time at Praia da Marinha. Each photo will be a cherished memory, a piece of the magic you experienced. So, pack your bags, grab your swimsuit, and get ready to discover the magic of Praia da Marinha. Don't forget your sunscreen and a sense of adventure. It's a destination that will steal your heart and leave you longing to return. The memories you make here will be treasured for a lifetime, calling you back to its shores again and again.